The James Webb Space Telescope focused on Jupiter's moon Europa and found something truly remarkable. It discovered carbon dioxide in a very specific place on the surface of the moon, hinting that something intriguing is happening inside it. Decades of exploration of the solar system have shown that Jupiter's moon, Europa, is one of the most promising places where we can find life beyond Earth. That's because of the vast ocean the moon hides beneath its icy crust. The first evidence of the subsurface ocean came when NASA's Voyager spacecraft flew past Jupiter about half a century ago. The data from the spacecraft revealed that Europa was not just icy but had a young, frequently rejuvenated outer surface. Further missions to study Jupiter and its moons suggested that Europa's underground ocean of liquid water contains twice the volume of all of Earth's oceans combined. However, what truly piques our interest in this moon is the possibility that it may have hosted life within its mysterious, dark waters, where organic molecules and potential energy sources might exist. And now, the most powerful space telescope ever built has delivered its first significant results concerning the Jovian moon. So, how did Webb discover carbon dioxide on the surface of Europa? How are astronomers so sure that it came from beneath the surface of the moon? Finally, and most importantly, why is the discovery of carbon dioxide on the surface of Europa so important? The James Webb Space Telescope used two key instruments to study Europa, NIRCam and NIRSpec. NIRCam is James Webb's primary camera. It specializes in capturing high-resolution images within the near-infrared range of the light spectrum. NIRCam consists of two modules, one for wide-field imaging and another for coronagraphy, a technique designed to suppress the bright light emitted by stars or planets, thus revealing fainter objects surrounding them. Astronomers first used the NIRCam instrument to block out the glare of Jupiter and observe Europa. This observation took place on January 9, 2023, during Europa's closest approach to Earth. James Webb was precisely aligned, with its 6.5-meter primary mirror pointed at Europa for approximately 10 hours. During this time, data was collected simultaneously by both NIRCam and NIRSpec. Now, let's delve into what the James Webb Space Telescope discovered on Europa's surface. The data analysis unveiled the presence of carbon dioxide in a specific area of Europa's icy surface. Carbon dioxide is a gas composed of one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms, and it stands as one of the most significant molecules in the universe. As we understand it, it plays a crucial role in life, participating in processes like photosynthesis, respiration, and metabolism. It also functions as a greenhouse gas, trapping heat and influencing a planet's climate. The first thing astronomers wanted to discover was the source of carbon dioxide. Was it coming from outer space or from within Europa? If it were coming from micrometeorites or things from outside the moon, it would have been more or less the same everywhere, but in this case, it was localized in a specific area. This area is known to be geologically new chaos terrain, which is very interesting because it indicates something is happening beneath it. The question now arises, how did carbon dioxide find its way onto Europa's surface, and why is it confined to a single region? The answer lies in the likelihood that this carbon originated from Europa's subsurface ocean, which is considered a potential habitat for life. Europa's ocean is estimated to be roughly 100 kilometers deep, containing more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. The gravitational forces exerted by Jupiter, which stretch and compress Europa's interior, generate heat and energy, maintaining the ocean in a liquid state. A layer of ice, measuring between 10 to 30 kilometers in thickness, separates the ocean from the surface. However, this ice layer is far from uniform or static. It is dynamic and marked by fractures, cracks, vents, and other features. These openings in the ice allow for the exchange of materials between the ocean and the surface. The carbon dioxide detected by James Webb could have made its way to the surface through various mechanisms. It might have been dissolved in the ocean water and subsequently released as a gas or ice due to changes in pressure or temperature. Alternatively, It could have been produced through chemical reactions or biological processes in the ocean and then transported to the surface by ocean currents or jets. The region where carbon dioxide was observed is near Europa's equator, covering approximately 12% of its surface area. This area is referred to as chaos terrain due to its intricate and disordered landscape characterized by ridges, cracks, blocks, pits, domes, and depressions. Follow Aeroway for more such content.